Hello, I'm Bo with Windsor Industries, and we're here today at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science to introduce you to the Windsor Treadway Escalator Cleaner. Here are the components of the treadway. The pressure gauge, which tells what pressure the solution is being applied at. The cleaning knob, which allows you to select between the three different cleaning modes: deep restorative cleaning, interim cleaning, and dry vacuuming. The recovery tank full indicator and the brush error indicator light that would tell you if there's a problem with the brushes. Lastly, there's an hour meter. At the back of the treadway, you'll find the dump hoses for your solution tank and your recovery tank, a power plug that you'll need to plug into a 10-gauge extension cord, the operator pedal. This pedal must be depressed while the treadway is in operation. If the operator leaves the machine and the pedal comes up, the machine's going to stop. And lastly, the pedal that releases the scrub head and raises the scrub head. To access the brushes and the combs on the treadway, you'll need to tip the machine forward. Simply stand behind the machine and tip it completely forward. Obviously, be sure you do this before you fill the machine. As you can see, we have complete access to the spray jets, the scrub brush, and the intake brush, as well as the combs that you'll use on the escalator that you're cleaning. Make sure that your spray jets are clean by simply giving them a quarter turn, and make sure that the filter is not clogged or corroded. You'll notice that the spray jet sprays directly onto the brushes and not onto the escalator tread. This allows for minimal moisture on the escalator tread while still providing a thorough wet cleaning process. To access the brushes and the combs, simply remove the 4 screws on either side of the machine. Simply remove this plate and you can access both the scrub brush and the intake brush for cleaning if necessary. Additionally, you can access the combs, keeping in mind that there is a difference between the front and the back combs, with the front comb being thicker and larger than the back comb. The treadway is also built so that you cannot reverse the combs. Additionally, before cleaning, check to make sure your vac ports are clean and free of debris. Before cleaning with the treadway, make sure that you have the ability to stop and start the escalator. Clean pebbles from the treads with the groove rake that's included with the treadway. And lastly, check how long it takes for the escalator to make one complete loop by placing either a piece of tape or a Band-Aid on the handrail and timing it to see how long it takes for it to go around. This will be important in determining your cleaning time. After you've checked the brushes and the spray jets, you'll need to fill the treadway with whatever solution you're going to clean with. To fill it, simply lift the cover, and you'll find a 9.2 gallon freshwater tank and a 9.2 gallon recovery tank. After you fill the freshwater tank, it's time to add your chemical. Be sure to measure. To begin the cleaning process, stop the escalator, position the treadway, drop the cleaning head into position, lock the brakes, and then stand on the operation pedal while cleaning. The treadway will spray solution, scrub the escalator, and recover the water. When you're in restorative mode, you'll want to run 6 passes in the restorative setting, 2 passes in the light cleaning setting, and 2 passes on vacuum only. So if the escalator takes 1 minute to make a complete pass, you'll run it for 6 minutes on restorative clean, 2 minutes on light clean, and 2 minutes on vacuum only. If the escalator is being cleaned on a regular basis, you may only need to clean it on the interim mode. For the interim mode, you'll run just 3 passes on the light clean and 2 passes on vacuum only. During cleaning, it is normal to see a gap between cleaning passes. You'll need to overlap as you move across the escalator to account for that gap. When you're done, it's time to dump your solution tank and your recovery tank. After you've dumped your recovery tank, it's time to rinse it out and get it ready for storage. Congratulations! You're now ready to use the Windsor Treadway Escalator Cleaner. Guys, where'd you go? I don't want to spend a night at the museum.